What if I told you some tribes wear gloves full of deadly ants, cut off fingers, and even drink the ashes of their dead relatives? In Brazil, the Satere Mawe tribe forces boys to wear gloves filled with bullet ants, known for one of the most painful stings on earth. In Indonesia, the Dani tribe once cut off fingers to express grief after losing a family member. In Madagascar, some families dig up their ancestors' remains and dance with them during a ritual called Famadihana. In India, there's a ritual where babies are dropped from temple rooftops, believed to bring good luck and health. In Papua New Guinea, the warriors of Huli Wigmen wear giant wigs made from their own real hair. In Thailand, participants in a festival pierce their cheeks with swords and metal rods while showing almost no pain. The Yanomami tribe mixes the ashes of dead relatives into drinks so their spirits can live on within the family. In Spain, there's a festival where people literally jump over babies lying on mattresses. Young warriors of the Maasai compete by jumping as high as possible to prove strength and attract attention. And in some tribes, pain itself is considered the ultimate test of courage and adulthood. Which tradition shocked you the most, and would you dare try even one of them?